In this video, I will teach you how to do calculations with fractions. So, let's get right to it. You can only add or subtract fractions that have the same denominator. So, in other words, a over c plus or minus b over c is equal to a plus or minus b all over c, where a, b, and c are all integers. So, for example, 1 over 7 plus 4 over 7 is equal to 1 plus 4 over 7, which is equal to 5 over 7. Now, to add or subtract fractions with different denominators, first you need to make the denominators the same. And you need to do this by multiplying each fraction with the other fraction's denominator. Then add and subtract the fractions accordingly. So, in other words, a over b plus or minus c over d is equal to a over b multiplied by d plus or minus c over d multiplied by b, which is equal to ad over bd plus or minus bc over bd, which is equal to ad plus or minus bc all over bd, where a, b, c, and d are all integers. So, for example, 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 is equal to 1 times 3 over 2 times 3 plus 1 times 2 over 3 times 2, which is equal to 3 over 6 plus 2 over 6, which is equal to 5 over 6. Another example is 1 with 3 over 4 minus 5 over 6. Well, we just convert the 1 with 3 over 4 into an improper fraction, which gives 7 over 4 minus 5 over 6, which is equal to 7 times 6 over 4 times 6 minus 5 times 4 over 6 times 4, which is equal to 42 over 24 minus 20 over 24, which is equal to 22 over 24, which simplifies to 11 over 12. Now, to multiply two fractions, simply multiply the numerators together and multiply the denominators together. So, in other words, a over b times c over d is equal to ac over bd, where a, b, c, and d are all integers. So, for example, 1 over 2 times 3 over 4 is equal to 1 times 3 over 2 times 4, which is equal to 3 over 8. Now, to divide two fractions, first flip the second fraction upside down and replace the divide symbol with a multiply symbol. That is, you are now multiplying the fractions. Then just complete the multiplication accordingly. So, in other words, a over b divided by c over d is equal to a over b multiplied by d over c, which is equal to ad over bc, where a, b, c, and d are all integers. So, for example, 1 over 2 divided by 4 over 7 is equal to 1 over 2 times 7 over 4, which is equal to 7 over 8. Now let's go through some more examples. Let's say we want to calculate 5 over 6 minus 2 over 7. Well, we just multiply 5 over 6 with 7 and 2 over 7 with 6, which will give 35 over 42 minus 12 over 42, which is equal to 23 over 42. Now let's say we want to calculate 3½ multiplied by 1 over 5. Well, first we convert the 3½ to an improper fraction, which is 7 over 2, multiplied by 1 over 5. Then calculate this multiplication, which is 7 over 2 times 1 over 5, which then gives 7 over 10. Now, if you want to calculate 2 over 3 divided by 8 over 9, first we flip the 8 over 9 upside down to give 2 over 3 times 9 over 8, which is equal to 18 over 24. which simplifies to 3 over 4. Finally, if we want to calculate 1 over 4 plus 1 over 2 times 1 over 3, first, using the order of operations, we complete the multiplication first, which will then give 1 over 4 plus 1 over 6, which in this case, we multiply 1 over 4 by 6 and 1 over 6 by 4, which will then give 6 over 24 plus 4 over 24, which equals to 10 over 24, which simplifies to 5 over 12. I hope that everyone has learnt from this video. If you have learnt from this video, please leave a like. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.